What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to beat these fire giants, aka the Furnace Golems, in Elden Ring Shadow of the Erdtree DLC. So this is the first one here. I'm at the Scorched Ruins right after the first bonfire. I'm at the second one here, or the Site of Grace, whatever you want to call it. And then we see this big fire dude here, the Furnace Golem. So there are more of them, spoiler alert, later on, and 2 or 3 of them require a gimmick. You'll have to throw a giant furnace pot inside of them to kill them, or throw a furnace pot from above inside of them to kill them. But this one's not the case. This guy, you can actually kill him by hitting his legs a bunch. Eventually he will stagger, and then you hit him in the golden spot when he's staggered, and then I think you have to do that twice, and then he dies. But you'll see he has a lot of fire AoE around him, a lot of area effect damage. You're gonna have to just jump all of that. Then when he does the big attack, you're gonna want to run away. So let's give this a shot. Your best bet is to use Torrent, so you can jump, you can do the double jump, it's more forgiving that way. Otherwise, it's going to be a long night for you, so we'll see if I have to do a jump cut here, but attempt number 1, here we go. Right away, he's going to jump. We're going to double jump that, no problem. We're going to spam the legs. By the way, I do recommend a stamina regen talisman for this one. Let me put that on real quick. And that's why we have the double jump on right there, because I just double jumped and saved myself. That was huge. Oh, I didn't save myself there. Heal torrent up. Back to smacking him. Fucking didn't have enough stamina there. Alright. There we go, we're breaking his leg down. Keep focusing on the leg. It's gonna do a thing soon. How did that hit forward? What are you talking about? He's gonna try to kill me here. Fuck, he killed me. Jump, bro, do something. He gets up and nothing fucking happens. God damn it. Alright, attempt number, I'm not going to tell you, let's go. I'm just kidding, it's attempt number 3-ish. Right off the bat, fire attack at me. Nice guy, you're a nice guy today, aren't you? Didn't see that other leg there. Sometimes he back-to-back stomps, sometimes he chills out after one stomp. Just pay attention to the legs that are on fire. That's all you gotta do. I do recommend having stamina regen talisman or some stamina talisman on for this fight, because you're going to be doing a lot of torrent, sprinting, jumping, hitting. It's annoying if you don't have stamina for this fight. Once you get the hang of him though, he's not going to do a whole lot. You just have to manage your stamina. And do a double jump if you're not sure, which is always a good thing. Oh, he's not doing anything. Alright. There's the other leg. By the way, this will take a while. It's better if you have a strength weapon, though. You will get staggered quicker. Oh, there's another. Is he gonna fall down yet? No, one more, and then he will. You can always back away from the double jump. Oh my god, the range on that's ridiculous. Never mind. Maybe it's better to just double jump it. The range on that's ridiculous. Alright, we're gonna double jump this one. That didn't do shit. That almost killed me. There we go. I hit the same leg 3 times, but he finally staggered. Get off the horse, and then you go, and you hit him. And this is actually going to do a lot of damage. But you have to do it twice. That's the fun part. He's going to get up. Keep smacking the leg as he's getting up. Don't give him a chance to breathe. He's already doing his shit. Great. Kills my horse again. Nice guy. I'm just hitting whatever leg I can. Shit. I'm hitting whatever leg I can, honestly. I am also New Game Plus, that is worth mentioning, so they have more health in New Game Plus. But I also do more damage, so whatever you want to make of that. Of course, that kills. That attack, you honestly, you just want to get as far away from that as you can. When he has both of his legs on fire and he jumps in the air, you're pretty much fucked if you're in the area for that. One more and he falls down. One more. You gotta get him 3 times. Isn't that fun? It takes so long to kill these dudes. I'm gonna have no more horse soon. If he does that double attack, I'm screwed. Please, man, how many more hits do I have to do for this tutorial? I'm gonna have to kill him before he staggers. Oh, shit. Oh, I jumped it. Thank you. Oh my god. Quick, to the front of him. To the front of him. To the front of him. There it is. Off the horse. And he's dead. Okay. Finally. That is the longest video ever. Holy. And this is what he gives you. Deflecting hard tier, which is for the physic flask, or no, it's a key item, sorry. And then there's the furnace visage, which you use to craft the heavy furnace pots. We'll see it in item crafting. Oh, I don't have the recipe for it, but it's one of these. It'll be a heavy furnace pot. You'll be able to throw it inside of these big fire dudes and kill them in like 2 shots later on. So I will show a video for that, but For the first guy you encounter, that's how you kill him, unfortunately. You use the horse, and he doesn't give you much souls. I got 32k from that in New Game Plus. Thanks. So generous after that. That guy was pretty much a mini-boss. But anyways, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.